Okay.
Hey guys, it's Boise Boys here, back with another video for you.
Yay.
And we're gonna be doorbell ditching D-Lon. Our friend Dylan here, he lives down there somewhere.
D-Lon.
And we're gonna be doorbell ditching him, and hopefully we get a good reaction.
And they're home.
And they're home.
Yeah.
We've tried like freaking 10 times on other
this
houses.
other person, and she's like not even home. She's every single time.
She's in Vegas. Bro.
She's
Okay.
in Vegas.
Oh, okay. Long story short, we're gonna go be doorbell ditching. We'll see you when we get to the house.
Okay, so we're almost here, guys. The house over there.
Yeah, the house is just right there.
With the basketball. Wait, what? What's right there? Okay, we're gonna start being quiet now, so if he hears us, we're dead.
So they're probably home because the basketball game's on, and they're huge basketball fans. So fingers crossed.
Warriors 4-0 record history tonight. Calling it.
I saw the score and it was like 9-21 Cavs. I was looking, yeah. They're like destroying them by like 12 points.
Yeah. I know, right?
My prediction's still gonna be right. 4-0, baby. Game over. So we're gonna hide in the yard, guys.
You guys, stop it.
And then I guess they're closing our court. We're all gonna hide in the house. We're trying not to get found.
Family car is there. That's the car they always take.
Okay, so this could be gone wrong. I'm kind of scared myself.
You're not even gonna make that one.
No, yes I am. I'm gonna be the person going up there to get all the action.
No.
Yes I am.
Yeah. You're gonna be like across the street. You're gonna be like,
Yeah.
You're not doing
You would probably be like the last person to do a little bit. Quiet.
Okay, we're trying to be quiet.
The people are up there. Go on the other side, bro.
Okay, so I'm gonna get behind the car right there.
Oh, that's not water.
Okay, someone.
You guys.
That's the door right there. We're gonna try the door. Shoot. Yeah, guys. Nope, yes. Guys, he found us.
We doorbell this, you guys. Apparently, Raiden walked over here. Oh, hey! No! We got it on tape! Let's go!
Guys are running right now. Okay, guys, we have to cut right now. See ya. They're coming after us. They gone yet? Yeah. This has gone wrong major. The dog literally chased Cole. The neighbor's dog just randomly freaking appeared and we were running away. They started chasing us. And then a random dog bolted over to Cole and freaking scratched his leg. He's like, He was like crying earlier, and he's like in pain. Show me your knee. Show me your knee. Dude, look at that. He freaking like jumped up to like he just did that to him. He was like, and he just went like that.
Yeah.
This is gone wrong major, guys. I don't know what to say.
So
Doorbell ditching, gone wrong.
No audition hashtag
guys, are they gone?
Yeah, hashtag gone wrong.
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
check if they're gone. Check.
Got away from the house.
So guys,
Oh,
make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next video.